Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Karen. Today we are diving into a fun and creative DIY project, making a beautiful elastic bracelet using golden obsidian and brown tiger eye. Also, two 18K yellow gold beads. This elegant piece is stylish and incorporates the unique properties of these stunning stones. Now, let's get started. Before we jump into the crafting, here's what we will need. 6mm top quality golden obsidian beads, 14 pieces, and 6mm top quality brown tiger eye beads, 14 pieces, 3mm 18K yellow gold beads, 2 pieces. Also, 0.8mm flat elastic cord. You can use black or brown, both match with the stones we use. Open-end needle to thread the beads, and the wrist gauge to measure the wrist size 6.5 inches as we need. Cut a piece of elastic cord that is about 20 inches long and fold it in half. Now thread it onto the needle like this, and then you may start to thread either obsidian or tiger eye beads. So golden obsidian is known for its protective qualities, and it shields against negativity and promotes emotional healing, helping you gain clarity and insights into your true self. Now we add one gold bead here and separate the obsidian and tiger eye beads. Brown tiger eye brings grounding energy, as you all know, and it boosts confidence and courage while balancing emotions, making it perfect for facing challenges. Together, they create a harmonious synergy. The golden obsidian protects, while the brown tiger eye instills strength and stability. And placing two gold beads as focal points in the center of both stones not only enhances the beauty, but also balances the energy of these two stones. Once all the beads are strung, remove the needle. See the loop right here? Take one end of the elastic cord and pass it through the loop. Gently slide all the beads toward the loop side. Tie to secure knot to fasten everything in place, and making sure to tighten them well. So this elastic cords I've been using for over 10 years for elastic bracelet making. Alright, when cutting the excess cord, leave a small section attached, like this. Don't cut them all. And now, tuck it into the hole. And there you have it. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more DIY projects. Share your bracelet designs in the comments below, and we'd love to see them. Thank you for watching and happy crafting. See you soon. Bye bye.